special thanks to our friends over at SUPCASE who were nice enough to send us this Apple AirTags protective case. You can see Unicorn Beetle Pro on the front. That's their main brand of protective devices like I have on my Pixel watch. SUPCASE here and here. Website info there, made in China there. And then the back just says SUP AirTag 2021. Unicorn Beetle Pro Black. That's what the UB Pro sounds for. So let's take this out. Look at this, very nice. And well, that's it for the box. And then inside of this is our little protective case for our AirTag. So I love this clip. That is a very strong, good clip. It's made out of metal. You could clip this on your bag. You shouldn't have to worry about losing it, or you can put it on your luggage as well. This little SUPCASE logo there on the back. Nothing really around the edges or anything. And of course, your AirTag is able to just kind of push right in and pop right into place. And there you go. Now your AirTag is protected from bangs and drops and getting thrown around and all of that kind of stuff. And it's also very easy to hook it onto something. Perfect for people traveling, using this for a laptop case, anything where you don't want to lose your AirTag and you want it to be protected, this is the way to go. Thanks again to our friends over at SUPCASE who were nice enough to send us this AirTag protective case to unbox and demonstrate for you. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.